Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend copying LinkedIn contacts into your CRM? If you're in sales or lead gen, chances are way too much. And let's be honest, it's boring, repetitive, and it steals hours you could be spending actually closing deals. That's exactly why today we're looking at LeadCRM, a new lifetime deal on AppSumo that lets you sync LinkedIn leads straight into your CRM with just one click. So what exactly is LeadCRM? Think of it as a bridge between LinkedIn and your CRM. Instead of switching tabs, manually typing data, and risking errors, LeadCRM embeds your CRM right inside LinkedIn. That means you can instantly capture LinkedIn leads with one click. See your CRM fields directly on a LinkedIn profile. Add notes, create opportunities, or update deal stages without ever leaving LinkedIn. And here's the kicker. It even syncs your LinkedIn messages into your CRM so your whole team stays in the loop. Some standout features worth mentioning. One-click LinkedIn to CRM sync. No more copy-paste headaches. AI-powered insights. Get smarter recommendations for outreach. Built-in contact finder. Missing an email or phone number? LeadCRM can enrich that for you. Waterfall Enrichment. It pulls data from multiple sources to fill in missing details. Sales Navigator Export. Bulk export prospects for faster workflows. Basically, it takes everything you do manually on LinkedIn and automates it in a way that actually saves you hours. Now, you might be wondering, what CRMs does it work with? LeadCRM integrates with major platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, plus others. And if your CRM isn't natively supported, you can still connect it through API or Zapier-style integrations. Here's where it gets interesting. On AppSumo, LeadCRM is offering a lifetime deal starting at just $69. And of course, like every AppSumo deal, it's backed by their 60-day money-back guarantee. And since this is a lifetime deal, you pay once and use it forever. If you're tired of wasting time copy-pasting LinkedIn data into your CRM, this tool might just be your new secret weapon. You'll find the AppSumo link down in the description. Check it out while the deal's still live. And hey, if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and drop a comment if you want me to cover a specific tool next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.